Nothing like a good cup of coffee. Let's go outside. Oh, hello YouTube. What's up guys? I'm out here in the middle of the forest. I just set up a hammock and I thought maybe some of you guys want to know what goes through my head when I'm setting up a hammock. So right now I'm going to show you how to set up a hammock. Now you might be thinking, I know how to set up a hammock, it's pretty easy. Well, it is pretty easy, but some people don't know how to do it, so I want to show them. But I also want to walk you through kind of just some things that go through my head when I'm picking a spot, etc, etc. So if you like outdoors videos and tips and tricks, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is what I have. This is just a little hammock in a bag. Thing's pretty cool. When you open it up, it has everything you need inside it. It's got a little strap there, so you can just throw that over your shoulder. It's pretty nice. I've had this thing for about 2 years. Pretty durable. I will probably throw a link down in the description so you guys can go ahead and grab one for yourself if you want it. And I think it was like under 30 bucks on Amazon. So let's do this. So first things first, you want to pick a couple trees. Make sure their distance apart is just right for you. Then you want to get your hammock out. I already have mine unpacked. And you got to get your straps on the trees. Depending on how high or low you put these straps will depend on how high you are off the ground. Me, I personally like to be a little bit higher off the ground, but if you're shorter, you know, it's not quite ideal for you. So let's get these straps on the trees. Now, once your strap's on the tree, you're going to grab your hammock and hang it from each side of the strap. So basically, you got one of these on each end of your hammock. You're just going to take and loop this through here. Like so, and do the same on the other side. Like so. Ta-da! Alright guys, so that was pretty easy, right? Just a couple of straps on a couple trees, put a little hook through each one. Pretty simple. Now, some other things that I like to consider when I'm putting my hammock up is where I'm putting a hammock up. You know, what do I want my surroundings to be? Right now I'm in the middle of the forest. I can hear some birds chirping, all that fun stuff. Not quite the same as it is putting the hammock up in my backyard in the middle of the city. You know, if you want to put your hammock by the water so you can hear the stream, it also depends on, you know, what you're doing. Sometimes you come out to take a nap. I like to take naps in my hammock. Come out to read. Just disconnect and be out in this peaceful wilderness is so good for you. When I'm out on a trail like this, I like to make sure that I'm far enough off the trail that I'm not going to bother anyone else and not be interrupted by them. I want to make sure I'm far enough away from the road so the traffic isn't necessarily bothering me. Right now I hear a weird humming sound. I'm not quite sure what that is. I just want to talk for a minute on how important it is to be outside. You know, I'm a huge fan of it. I love being outdoors. I think it's super healthy for people. So I encourage you to get outside, throw up a hammock, enjoy some peace and quiet, read a book, take a nap, do whatever it is that you do. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you outdoors.